Okay, hi guys, my name is Aditya Aziz, and in this video I will present information technology and social media in the era of the 4.0 industrial revolution. So let's start. The era of industrial revolution 4.0 was marked by the rapid development of technology and information. Indonesia became one of the countries that started the industrial era 4.0. The concept of application of this era is automation carried out by technology without recurrence in the process of its application. Technology, which is the main pillar in the development of the Industrial Revolution, one of which is the Internet. This technology is growing rapidly, has very sophisticated feature and make it easy for humans to access or carry out an activity. The device used to access the internet has increased very quickly. This also impact on the development of communication and information technology between people in various parts of the world. Communication that used to be still done manually and using manual tools has now become very easy. Communication does not have to be done face to face or using tools such as letter. Communication technology development. With the presence of computer and smartphone, humans can communication with anyone without having to meet in person. It is feared that the development of communication technology will shift in talks. Besides having many benefits, the virtual communication also has disadvantages that are beneficial to humans. Among them are the creating of persons who can cause a missing of social communication that is intended for young people. This instances the instances of communicating are very important and good to apply. The complication of communication and communicator. Communication ethic dispel misunderstanding and query that end up of others. If communication is dealing with sentences that are not polite, rude, and far from the moral value considered on social media that are very heterogeneous, I will produce something that is not useful if it can be forgotten and discussed. Getting to know the Industrial Revolution from 1.0 to 4.0. The first Industrial Revolution that occurs in the agriculture was marked by the invention of the steam engine, which was used for the production process of goods. At that time in England, the steam engine was used as the first material that could enter the productivity of the textile industry. Work equipment that Italy developed of human and animal labor was eventually replaced by this machine. In addition, steam engines and used the transportation sector. International transformation at that time was the transformation with still use wind power. However, the wind is not complicated labor because it may be blowing from the opposite direction or there may be no wind at all. The Industrial Revolution 2.0 took place at the beginning of the 20th century. The Industrial Revolution was marked by the invention of electric power. Fossil power, which at that time has been replaced by a steam engine, slowly began to be replaced again by electric power. Even so, there are still obstacles that hinder the production process at the factory, namely transformation problem. After the second industrial revolution, humans still play a very important role in the production process of various types of goods. However, after the third industrial revolution, humans no longer played an important role. After this revolution, an industrial age slowly ended and the information age began. If the first revolution is triggered by a steam engine, the second revolution is triggered by an inferior bell and electricity. The third revolution is triggered by machine that can move and think automatically, namely computer and robot. Industry 4.0 is a trend is the industry world that combines automation technology with cyber technology. The term Industry 4.0 comes from a project in the German government advanced technology center that satisfactory computation. The Industry 4.0 manufacturing technology has entered the trend of automatic and data exchange. The includes cyber physical system, Internet of Things or IoT, cloud computing and cognitive computing. This trend has shaped many areas of human life, including the economy, the work of work, and even lifestyle. In short, the Industrial Revolution 4.0 instilled intelligent technology that can be connected to various areas of the human life. Many things that we not thought of before suddenly appear and become the new innovation and open up a very large business area. The closest example is the emergence of transportation with ride-sharing systems such as Gojek and Grab. The pressure of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 indeed present new business, new job, and new professions that were precious unthinkable. It is undeniable that various aspects of human life will continue to chart along with the revolution and technology development. The future in the tech is often affected by many negative impact and create new problems. However, change can always bring society in a better direction. In conclusion, the Industrial Revolution 4.0 is not a scary event. It often bigger opportunity for the nation children to contribute to the national economy. So maybe enough for me. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye.